Evening, everyone. It's Sunday night around 7:15, and this is your weekly gold and futures update. The market's been open a little over an hour, and there's really nothing going on. The gold is up $2.20, and as you'll see, really not doing very much, but it did close just under the 100-day moving average. And right now it is pretty much right on that moving average. We have this flag that we've been showing for a while here with some pretty major resistance up here in the 1825 to 1830 area. My concern for the bull market or turning in, continuing higher would have to be a close over 1833 now. Before it was 1828, but seeing as we got all the way up to 33, hit the downtrend line and came right back down, uh, I'm going to have to revise that up a little higher. The 5-day crossed the 20-day right here after riding on it for a couple of days and having consecutive days with lows right around that 1790 area. And last week we broke down $41. So this is an area, this actually is a new low close since we rallied off the bottom here down at 1675. So we are not in great shape here, but we are oversold, and I still hold out some hope for this market. The silver market is approximately the same. It is down less than a penny, and copper is down about 1.9 cents. A look at the dollar index 9022, that's up a little over 4 cents, and we have Bitcoin down 450 and Ethereum down 134. 134 is over 3.5%, whereas 450 is down just 1%. So Bitcoin acting a little bit better than Ethereum. We have the S&P down 875, Nasdaq down 7.25, and the Dow futures down 102, and we have the Russell down 690. So there's really not a lot going on tonight. I don't recall what the fair value numbers are, but we'll see first thing in the morning. Uh, we had the coffee settling in, kind of a quiet range week. We had the lumber, which looks to me as if it's about to head higher. It actually looks like a little bit of a small head and shoulders bottom, with the neckline here about 675, 680. A close above that, I think, will send us right back into the 850 area, which is pretty substantial. We had lowering open interest in this rally, and so for that reason, it looks to me like short covering, but it's really hard to ignore this double bottom here on the 16th of August at 448, and back here on the in late October of last year at 454. So we'll see how that breaks to the upside. As you can see, clearly the 5-day has turned back up. It's a long way from crossing over either the 20 or 50-day, but it is resting right on the 200 week, which is not long from where it was there and where it broke out on its initial move from the 350 to 860 area. So, all in all, they look pretty interesting, and we will wait for tomorrow. As I said, oil is down about a quarter, down 14 cents. Now, I kind of disagree with most of the people that I heard on CNBC and other places that we needed to hold uh, $5. That is not the area that I think we need to hold. And tonight's charts with comments points out that I'm looking more at the 475 area. That would be not too far off the rising 20-day and would be about a 40% decline from this move from 375 to 565 that we hit in the middle of the week this week. So that's about it. And I'll be back first thing in the morning with your pre